Hello class, this week we're going to take a break from focusing on money so we can go back and review how to add and how to regroup. So here, let's look at the poster. The green says, adds up to 9 and everything's just fine. If we take a look here at the equation, it says 532 plus 264. Remember that we always need to start in our ones column. That's the column that's all the way to the left side. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we move on to the next column. 3 plus 6 is 9. Next, we have 5 plus 2, which is 7. All of these numbers adds up to 9 or less. We do not have to carry over. 532 plus 264 is 796. Let's try our own problem. Here, I am going to write 213 plus 161. Now I'm going to start all the way on the left-hand side. It's right here. 3 plus 1 equals, that's right, 4. Then I move to the next column. 1 plus 6 is, that's right, 7. Then we move on to the next column. 2 plus 1 is 3. 213 plus 161 is 374. But now we need to look at our regrouping. So when we regroup, it says 10 or more, take the extra next door, right? If we have 10 or more in our answer, we need to bring it next door. Let's look at our example here. 436 plus 105. Remember, we start on our left side. That's the ones column. 6 plus 5 is 11. Notice that I carry the number 1 up to the next column. Here's a 1 for 11, and then the other one for the number 11. Then we want to add this next column. 1 plus 3 plus 0 is 4. And then we don't need to carry because we just have a single digit here, so we just finish off with 4 plus 1, which is 5. Let's try this next problem so we can practice our carrying. Let's write 567 plus 163. Start in your ones column. 7 plus 3 equals 10. If you got 10, that's correct. Carry your 1, drop your 0. Now we have 1 plus 6 plus 6. Did you get 13? Remember, we don't want to write our 13 like that. That is wrong. We want to carry our 1 and drop our 3. So next we have 1 plus 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is, that's right, it is 7. So 567 plus 163 is 730. Excellent job. Now we're going to go over a word problem here. Let's say that Miss B has 31 markers. Okay, I have 31 markers. Miss McKay gives me 13 more. How many do I have altogether? I have 13 markers, 31 markers, and then Miss McKay gave me 13 more. If you said that I have 44 markers, you are definitely correct. 44 markers. Remember in your work today to write your answer in a complete sentence. Next, I want to remind you how to skip count. If we are skip counting by 100s, and I start with 200, then my next one is 300. What would my next one be? If we have 200, next we have 300, 2, 3. The next 100 would be 400. The problems that we did today are similar to the problems on your worksheet, so be sure to come back to the video if you need some help.